If you want to automatically add Sendinblue subscriber from your WordPress form, then this video is just for you. In this video, we will be using the premium version of Forminix Form Builder plugin for WordPress. You can purchase the premium plugin from Forminix.com. I have already created a contact form using the plugin and placed the form in my contact page. Now from your admin panel, navigate to the modules menu of the plugin and turn on Sendinblue integration. Then let's go to the settings of the form we have created and navigate to the Integrations tab. Click the Add Integration button and choose Sendinblue. You must provide your Sendinblue API key here. To get the API key, you will have to go to your Sendinblue dashboard. Then click the Profile drop-down link on the top right and navigate to SMTP and API. Now create a new API key if you don't have one already. Once the key is created, copy and place it into Forminix. If you want, you can choose a specific list in which the subscriber will be added. Last step is to map the form fields, like which form field will be used as which profile information of the subscriber. In example, I will be choosing my email address field value as the subscriber's email address and first name field value as the subscriber's first name and the last name field value as the subscriber's last name. Let's now save the settings and start testing our Sendinblue integration. Great! Form Submitter has been successfully added as a subscriber in Sendinblue, and you have just learned how we did the Sendinblue integration using Forminix.